We hear a lot about detox diets and recipes. However, not everyone knows how they actually help our bodies. Detoxifying the body is a deep and complex process. We need to understand how to detox the liver and kidneys naturally. The body suffers from the excess of toxins produced after consuming industrialized, processed foods. Besides the buildup of fat, ingesting these unhealthy products can cause inflammation and issues in the liver and digestive system. We even talked about how emotions affect our organs. Did you watch it? The body has a sophisticated way of getting rid of these toxins in a process that involves the liver, kidneys, digestive system, skin, and lungs. However, because of our modern lifestyle, sometimes this process is reduced. So, it is necessary to stimulate the natural ability to eliminate undesirable, useless substances with juices that combine very powerful ingredients. In today's video, we will learn how to make a powerful detox juice with lemon, carrot, and cucumber. It can strengthen the organs like the kidneys and liver, responsible for filtrating and eliminating harmful substances from our bodies. But what makes these ingredients so special? Lemon is high in vitamin C and flavonoids, making it a strong ally of our immune system. These two substances, especially flavonoids, are natural anti-inflammatories and antioxidants, essential to the health of our kidneys and liver. Also, lemon is rich in citric acid, another antioxidant. Carrots are rich in minerals, vitamins A, B, C, and E, and potent antioxidants that improve lung, kidney, and liver functions and prevent different types of cancer. Another benefit of carrots is that they treat constipation, prevent the formation of kidney stones, and purify the intestines, eliminating toxins and helping in the proper absorption of nutrients. When we eat raw carrots, we get the necessary enzymes for regulating the digestive system. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Cucumber, considered one of the best natural diuretics, is excellent for the kidneys. It also fights fatty liver and inflammatory processes. Since it contains beta-carotene, vitamin C, flavonoids, and quercetin, cucumber protects the body against different chronic diseases. Its soluble fibers promote liver health, make us feel satiated, besides helping cleanse the intestines. Want to try it? Write down the ingredients: 1 cucumber, 2 carrots, 1 teaspoon parsley, juice of half a lemon, 1 glass of water. Directions: thoroughly wash the carrots and the cucumber. If possible, buy them organic. Then peel and dice both. Next, put them in a blender and add the remaining ingredients. Blend until smooth. Drink this juice, preferably in the morning, for at least a week. So, did you like the recipe? Try this detox juice and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.